visuals there. I'm on the site with my boy Luke from Listons. Luke is the
Demolition man.
He's the demolition man. He is going to smash stuff up. On a serious note, just tell everyone why are you involved? Why are Listons involved?
But basically, me and the guys have come along here to help the family move on with their lives and hopefully get this house to a better home for them to move into. So we're going to come here, do some enabling works for the builders to come in and renovate the place so it's nice and tidy.
Right, that's the serious bit. It's time to smash some stuff up. Are you going to show me how it's done first of all? Go on then, this is the pro. Look at a pro at work. Luke is the demolition man. Right, where are you going to be swinging? Okay, all right. Oh. Luke. I want to have a go, right, okay. Stand back, everyone. Don't you laugh? What are you laughing at?
Good posture.
And again.
Let your hands go down. Take it off.
That was awful, wasn't it?